Good morning. Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. Give a shout out to our new subscribers here. We got a Ray Homewood, Scoob 6969, Tim Belante, Martin Newville, Mara Ram, and Walter Braun. Thanks guys, appreciate it. So John sent me the following two videos to check out in regards to the motorcycle trailer, and I believe it is roadworthy. Tell me what you think.
Hey, it's John from Old Friends, New Roads. Just a quick update on the trailer. It's going to be ready for Idaho. Just wired up the lights, and this will be the maiden little jaunt here in a minute. We're going to do a quick check on the lights, and we'll get on the road. Well, it's loaded with everything for the initial run. Gas tank's full. The only thing that's not in here is 7 pounds of ice that goes in the cooler tomorrow morning. Got a little bit of wood on it. Just gonna run up to Tacoma and back, see how it flies, make any adjustments. I think with the weight that I have on it, it is I think it's 4 pounds a little heavier on the tongue than maybe it's supposed to be, according to one YouTube that I got. But I'm gonna see how it flies. I can move some stuff back if I need to. Feels actually really light on the tongue, so I think it's going to be fine. But that's the next little tidbit. We'll probably give a little bit more tomorrow morning after meet up with the guys and head out for Tacoma. Talk to you later.
So we're going to go meet up today. Me, Eric, John, and Kate are heading to Tacoma, and John's going to be pulling the new trailer. This is the test run, so here's hoping it goes well. We talked about the trailer for a long time last night, me and Kate. So I'm really curious to see what today brings. I want it to do well, so here's hoping. I got to get my bike ready to go, check the air pressure. This will be the longest trip since my oil change also, so I'm going to bring some oil along just so I can keep an eye on that. But yeah, it should be a pretty good day. Hopefully it's not too hot going up and down I-5, but it's a nice cool morning, and I'm looking forward to getting on the bike. Trailer's looking good, John.
Thank you.
How was getting it over here to Eric's?
It was actually really smooth on the freeway. It's the slow speed, around the neighborhood stuff that's a little different. You really know it's there.
Does it tug you around in the corners a little bit?
It's not necessarily tugging you around. It gives a little shimmy in certain, I don't know how to describe it, in certain, like maybe stopping and curb stuff, and yeah, it's just different. Yeah, not a huge, you know, it's going to throw you on the ground or anything, but you just notice it.
Yeah, it's long. Nicely done.
So we're going to head to the Tacoma, Washington area, see my my aunt and uncle, and pick up my aunt's ashes. So the Idaho trip, I'm actually going to bury the ashes on the family plot. So that's it. We're going to pick up some ashes and come back home, give the trailer a good test run, and make sure it's ready for Idaho. Different taking off. It's just, I don't know how to describe it unless you're on it, I guess. What's that? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, it's pretty unique.
Mountains rough this time of year. Close the highway down. They don't warn the town. I've been fighting second gear, 15 miles or so.
Well, we just got back from a 300-mile day trying out the trailer, and it just went perfect. There wasn't a single issue. It tracked really well, cornered really well. John did really well with it, so I'm happy to report that it's going to Idaho with us. Normally John's gas light comes on at about the 120, the 100 to 120 mark. With the trailer, he said it came on at 90. So yeah, aside from that, I think it's just splendid, and we're all very excited to go to Idaho for our week-long trip. So, you know, tuck in, grab some snacks. It's going to be some good episodes coming, so make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, click the little bell, do all the things that all YouTubers ask you to do. Thank you. Have a good one.